Want to remove estimated taxes on Shopify? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open any web browser and head over to Shopify's official website. Now log into your account. On the home page, you want to click on products from the left hand side panel. Now select the product where you want to remove estimated taxes. Scroll down and get to the pricing section. Here you will see a charge tax on this product option. If that is check marked, you want to deselect that and then click on save. Now estimated taxes will be removed on this specific product. But if you want to disable it for all the products, you want to go to settings, then click taxes and duties. Scroll down to global settings and deselect all options here. Now click save. Lastly, you want to head over to your home page. Now click Online Store, click the three dots and select Edit Default Theme Content. Use the search bar to look for tax and change any text as needed. For example, you can set this one to tax free and then click on Save. That's it. Estimated taxes will be now removed from your Shopify store. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.